ateti oro hamwe na muingi kuma mwena wa Nyanza nimathingatitwo gukanyita mutongoria wa bururi ugeni thiini wa iceera riake riria rigakorithia nduku inya mwena-ini ucio ni riitana riikitio ni minista wa ukinyaniria niwe Eliud Owalo uria ugite iteti riu ni ithiru na ni ihinda ria andu gukorwo makinyitanira na thirikari ni gukorwo makirehe uthii wa nambere wa gukuria bururi. President atanyitwo gugacira mwena wa rienda bondo ugenya oro hamwe na game.
So, as a means of carrying everybody along, we are letting people know that the president will be coming. We are also sensitizing them on the projects that are due for launch. We have got road projects he's going to commission. We have got blue economy projects. We have got the PIA. We have got ICT projects, which are also going to be commissioned. So, in the spirit of effective coordination and interdependence between the two levels of government, we are appealing to leaders from the county government and all politicians to join the president in this development tour. The president has said here many a time that time for politics is over. It is now a time to serve the people. And there are only one Kenyan people. One national government led by His Excellency the President and 47 county governments which are supposed to work closely with the national government. So this is going to be a development tour. We will join the President in this development tour. We are appealing to all other stakeholders, the political class inclusive, to also join the President in the development tour. Over and above the projects that are going to be launched this time around, we are aware that we have got feasible plans to revitalize the sugar factories, courtesy of approval by relevant levels of government.